Imagine a world where every sip of water is not just clean but perfectly tailored to your needs. Whether it's a steaming cup of coffee, a soothing tea, or a refreshing glass of pure H2O, enter this Koviet CF02 10-stage reverse osmosis water filter countertop, a 6-in-1 hot water RO filtration system that's redefining hydration at home. This isn't just a water filter. It's a lifestyle upgrade that combines cutting-edge purification technology, versatile functionality, and sleek design into one portable, installation-free package. If you're tired of bulky water systems, inconsistent water quality, or juggling multiple kitchen gadgets, the Koviet CF02 is here to transform your daily routine. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this countertop reverse osmosis water filter is a game-changer, diving into its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for health-conscious households, busy professionals, and beverage enthusiasts alike. Why the Koviet CF02 stands out in water filtration. Water purity is non-negotiable in today's world, where contaminants like TDS, PFOA, and PFOS lurk in tap water. The Koviet CF02 delivers peace of mind with its 10-stage reverse osmosis filtration system, certified by SGS and compliant with NSF/ANSI 58 and EPA 200 standards. Its ultrafine 0.0001 micrometers RO membrane filters out even the tiniest impurities, ensuring every drop is as clean as nature intended. But what makes this system truly revolutionary is its 6-in-1 functionality, blending the capabilities of a water purifier, undersink filter, electric kettle, thermostatic kettle, water dispenser, milk frother, and tea maker into one compact, portable unit. Whether you're brewing a morning espresso or preparing baby formula, this system delivers versatility without cluttering your countertop. The Koviet CF02 isn't just about clean water, it's about convenience and customization. Its 0.8 L heatable glass bottle, made from high-quality borosilicate glass and SUS 304 stainless steel, offers 4 temperature settings: boiling, coffee, tea, and milk, to cater to your specific beverage needs. The KFC heated system uses 360 degrees spiral heating for precise temperature control, while the KFW Pure nanotube technology ensures deep purification for safe, great-tasting water. Plus, with a 3:1 pure-to-drain ratio, it's eco-friendly, wasting less water than traditional RO systems. And the best part? No installation required, just plug it in, and you're ready to go. Key features that make the Koviet CF02 a must-have. Let's break down the standout features that make the Koviet CF02 a top contender in the countertop water filtration market. Advanced 10-stage RO filtration. Removes TDS, PFOA, PFOS, and other harmful contaminants with a 0.0001 micrometers RO membrane, delivering water that meets stringent NSF/ANSI 58 and EPA 200 standards. 6 in one multifunctionality. Combines a water purifier, undersink, filter, electric kettle, thermostatic kettle, water dispenser, milk frother, and tea maker in one sleek, space-saving design. KFW Pure and KFC heated technology. Nanotube purification ensures crystal clear water, while 360 degrees spiral heating provides precise temperature control for hot beverages. 0.8 L heatable glass bottle, crafted from durable borosilicate glass and stainless steel, with 4 temperature settings: boiling, coffee, tea, milk. 4 customized hydration. 3:1 pure-to-drain ratio. Eco-conscious design minimizes water waste, making it a sustainable choice compared to traditional RO systems. No installation required. Portable and plug-and-play, perfect for apartments, offices, or homes without complex plumbing setups. Smart safety features. Automatically stops filling when the bottle is full, preventing spills and ensuring ease of use. USA-based expert support, backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime phone support, with a dedicated team available via phone, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and 24/7 email assistance. Benefits that elevate your hydration game. The Koviet CF02 isn't just a water filter. It's a solution to common pain points in water purification and beverage preparation. Here's why it's a game changer. Unmatched water purity. The 10-stage RO filtration system ensures your water is free from harmful contaminants, giving you and your family safe, clean drinking water every time. Whether you're concerned about heavy metals, chemicals, or microplastics, the Koviet CF02 has you covered. Versatile beverage preparation. From boiling water for tea to frothing milk for lattes, the 6-in-1 system eliminates the need for multiple kitchen appliances, saving space and simplifying your routine. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. With a 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, you'll save water and reduce your environmental footprint while enjoying premium filtration at home. Portability and convenience. No installation means you can take the Koviet CF02 anywhere, perfect for renters, travelers, or anyone who values flexibility. Customizable hydration. The heatable glass bottle's 4 temperature settings let you tailor your water to the perfect warmth for coffee, tea, milk, or boiling, ensuring every sip is just right. Who is the Koviet CF02 perfect for? The Koviet CF02 is designed for anyone who values clean water, convenience, and versatility. It's ideal for health-conscious families, parents who want safe, contaminant-free water for cooking, drinking, and preparing baby formula. Busy professionals, those who need a quick, reliable way to make coffee, tea, or other hot beverages without juggling multiple devices. Small space dwellers, renters or apartment residents who want a high-performance water filter without the hassle of installation. Eco-conscious consumers, individuals looking for sustainable solutions that minimize water waste while delivering top-tier purification. Beverage enthusiasts, coffee and tea lovers who appreciate precise temperature control for the perfect brew every time. Real-world applications. How the Koviet CF02 fits into your life. Picture this. It's a hectic morning, and you're craving a perfectly brewed cup of coffee. With the Koviet CF02, you simply select the coffee temperature setting on the heatable glass bottle, and within minutes, you have pure, hot water ready for your pour-over. Later, your kids need a quick glass of water for dinner. Filtered, safe, and ready at the touch of a button. When it's time for a cozy evening tea, the system delivers water at the ideal temperature. No kettle required. And if you're hosting a dinner party, the milk frother function lets you whip up frothy lattes or cappuccinos to impress your guests. All this from one sleek, countertop device that requires zero installation. The Koviet CF02's portability makes it a standout for those on the move. Whether you're relocating to a new apartment, setting up a home office, or even camping with access to power, this system ensures you never compromise on water quality or convenience. Its 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio means you're making an environmentally responsible choice, while the 0.8L heatable glass bottle ensures your beverages are always at the perfect temperature. Plus, with USA-based support, you're never alone if you have questions or need assistance. Why choose Koviet over competitors? The countertop water filtration market is crowded, but the Koviet CF02 rises above the rest. Unlike traditional RO systems that require complex installation and waste significant water, the Koviet CF02 is plug-and-play and eco-friendly. Its 6-in-1 design eliminates the need for separate devices like kettles or milk frothers, saving you money and counter space. Competitors may offer basic filtration, but none match the Koviet's combination of 10-stage RO purification, precise temperature control, and multifunctional versatility. Plus, with certifications from SGS and compliance with NSF/ANSI 58 and EPA 200 standards, you can trust its performance. Addressing common concerns? Skeptical about countertop RO systems? Here's why the Koviet CF02 puts doubts to rest. Is it hard to maintain? Not at all. The system is designed for easy filter replacement, and the USA-based support team is available to guide you through any maintenance needs. Does it waste a lot of water? With a 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, it's one of the most water-efficient RO systems on the market. Is it bulky? The compact design fits seamlessly on any countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens or offices. What if I need help? The 1-year warranty and lifetime phone support ensure you're covered, with experts ready to assist via phone or email. Final thoughts. Why you need the Koviet CF02 today? The Koviet CF02 10-stage reverse osmosis water filter countertop isn't just a product. It's a revolution in how you hydrate, cook, and enjoy beverages. With its advanced filtration, eco-friendly design, and 6-in-1 functionality, it's the ultimate solution for anyone who values clean water and convenience. Whether you're a health-conscious parent, a coffee aficionado, or a renter looking for a no-fuss water purifier, the Koviet CF02 delivers unmatched performance in a sleek, portable package. Backed by USA-based support and a 1-year warranty, it's a risk-free investment in your health and lifestyle. Don't settle for subpar water or cluttered countertops. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how the Koviet CF02 can transform your daily hydration routine. Act now. Clean, customized water is just a click away. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.